How batteries work. So let's forget about batteries at all. If you take a zinc block and a copper block and arrange them or fix them in such a manner that there is a ionic solution in between them, let's say a salt solution. So here is your zinc block, here is your copper block, and in the space in between them there is salt solution, and the structure that you have just created is a battery. It's basically a battery. Let me explain. So now if you connect the two ends with a conductive wire, which is a copper wire, what will happen is zinc will lose two electrons, as it has two extra electrons in its outermost shell. After losing two electrons, zinc will get converted into cation, which is a positive ion, zinc 2 plus. This zinc 2 plus will get dissolved in our ionic solution, which in this case is salt solution, and those two electrons will travel through our conductive wire towards the copper block. So basically they are electricity, because electricity is just movement of electron from one direction to another direction. When our electrons reach the copper side, they combine with Cu2 minus ions, which are in the ionic solution, which are dissolved in the ionic solution and form copper. So from conductive wires our two electrons came, they get they they reacted with Cu2 minus Cu2 minus ions in ionic solution to form copper, and that copper gets deposited on the copper block. So basically this process repeats simultaneously, and electrons flow from zinc block towards copper block. We can use this movement of electrons in our advantage. Let's say in between the path of electron we connect an electrical bulb, electrical bulb. So basically now those electrons are flying so basically those electrons are flowing through the bulb and traveling towards copper block. So bulb will glow as electrons are flowing through it. So this process continues until the zinc block fully gets disassociated in salt solution. When zinc block fully disappears, our battery is fully dead.